I am Grand Regent Thragg, bred to be the leader of Viltrumites. To conquer, to kill!
Hey, I am Thragg. I was born to lead, to rule, and to kill.
Over Argald's dead body, will you win against me?
Over Argald's dead body, will you win against me?
The coalition may think it's strong. However, they will shatter before our strength.
The coalition? They may think they're strong, but they will shatter before our strength.
I am Thragg! I will kill anyone who stands in the way of the Viltrumites. The Viltrum Empire is second to none.
The Viltrum Empire, well, I assure you, it's second to none, and I will murder all of you.
The reason I'll win, I will avenge Emperor Argal. I will show no mercy.
I will show no mercy.
I will win. And do you know why I will win? Because I am Thragg!
I will win. Do you know why? Because I am Thragg. Yeah, I don't know how Thragg sounds.
I am Thragg. Bow to